Hi guys! Today's products are brought to you by the latest Sonya launch. These products can be used by both men and women and can be used of age 12 years and above. The good thing about this range is that it contains aloe vera with a gel base. As you can see, all the products contain the word gel in them. Now, before I explain about each product, I'd like to remind you that each person has a unique skin type. Some people have a dry skin while others have oily skin, and some people also have a combination skin. The good news is that these products are perfect for all skin types. This new technology will keep your skin young and glowing. What's the difference between the creams and the gel? Well, basically, gel will be absorbed much easier and instantly by the skin. Now let's talk about each product. The first product we're going to talk about is the Sonya Refreshing Gel Cleanser. This product should be used both in the morning and nighttime whenever you want to clean your face. You should put it whenever your skin is damp, and you should use it in circular motion, like this. Okay, to clean your face. It contains aloe vera, baobab oil, and amino acids that keep your skin hydrated. You can also use it to remove dirt from your skin, as well as makeup and oil. So it can be used as a makeup remover as well. The second product that you should use is the Sonya Illuminating Gel. This product, you should use it directly after the cleanser, so you can incorporate it in the morning and evening time. It is great for brightening your skin, it gives you a glow, and also reduces large pores, so you can use it as a makeup primer as well. The third product after the illuminating gel is the Sonya Gel Mask. This product can be used 2 to 3 times per week as a gel mask. You just apply it before sleeping and you let your skin absorb all its ingredients. So when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna feel your skin glowing and you're gonna feel a difference with the toning of your skin, and it also supports the fluctuation of the combination skin. The last product is the Sonya Gel Moisturizer. This product should also be used in the morning and in the evening in your routine. It helps hydrate and moisturize your whole skin, it evens the skin tone, and also it contains collagen and hyaluronic acid, so you will stay young and youthful. This beautiful lime green pack is an amazing way to fit all these products and take them with you wherever you go. And one more thing, do you know that these products don't contain any residues and are fragrance free? Isn't that amazing? Your skin will thank you after using these products, I promise you. I am Lynn, the nutritionist. I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye!